They called it the Aba Women's Riots of 1929, but our mothers called it something else: justice. From the markets of Oloko to the rivers of Aba, the drums began to speak. One voice became 100, 100 became thousands. They sang, they danced, they rose, bare feet against the dust, fire in their hearts. The British called them rebels, but they were our grandmothers, our mothers, warriors without swords, armed only with truth. They faced rifles with songs. They faced fear with sisterhood, and the world stood still. Because how do you fight women who sing to the earth itself? The women won, not with blood, but with courage. And from that day, the land remembered their names, the women who fought back. This is the power of Umu Nwanyi Igbo, the power of Igbo women.